Hey, thanks for stopping.
Where you headed?
Wherever you.
Hop in. My name's Josh.
I'm Breezy. Thanks again for picking me up. It's awfully nice of you.
No problem. No problem at all. You student?
Student?
State University? That's where I'm headed.
That's an awfully nice ring.
You like it? Solid gold. Gotta represent, right? So, you headed there too? Fall semester starts in a week.
Oh, I see. No, I'm not a student. I'm just traveling.
Free spirit, huh?
That's right.
I like that.
Do you play football, Josh?
Yeah, I do. How'd you guess?
Well, you look like you're in really good shape.
Yeah, team hits the weight room twice a week.
Do you always pick up hitchhikers, Josh?
No. Not really. I mean, never before today.
Well, then I guess today's your lucky day.
Guess it is.
Pull up over there.
Oh, yeah.
Buckle up, Josh. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.